I'm Tracy Purdy, and in this lesson we're going to talk about how you can use the Viewsonic Viewboard in your math class. The first thing that I've done is I've put together a Google Slides presentation with a couple of different math lessons in it. The first one is on adding positive and negative numbers. You could set this up in your classroom as a small station for one group of kids, or you could do it as a whole class if you would like to. So I've added a video that will teach the students how they can add and subtract positive numbers. After the students would go through watching this video, they would then have a couple of practice problems that they can do. Using the annotation features on the Viewboard, 2 fingers, opening my annotation tools, getting my red marker, the students can solve the problem. They're going to start at 4, and then they're going to take away 7. Going 4 backwards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Students realize that the answer is -3. When students are done with this, they can save their work by taking a picture of it and uploading it to Google Drive. Students can go in and put a file name, put their particular name, and subtract. This would be then saved to whichever Google Drive you choose. It's connected to my account, so I'm going to upload it to my Google Drive, and then I can go into my Google Drive and I can see how the students answered each of these different problems. Another way that you can use the Viewboard is you can give your students access to many different manipulatives that they can use online. For this one, we're going to launch the percentage fractional decimal grid. And it gives me the option. Right now I'm starting with 100 grid. I could change it over here to 25, or I can even change it to 10. Once I have 10 here, I could also decide if I would like it into a circle instead of the chart. Right here I can choose 2 different colors. If I color 3 of them and leave the rest of them white, the students can now start making prediction as to what that fraction might look like. If they click here, they'll see that it's either 7/10 that are white and 3/10 that are orange. If they look at the percentage, they can see that 70% is white, 30% is orange. And the decimal, 0.7 white and 0.3 orange. There are tons of other really great manipulatives that you can use in your classroom, whether they're with small groups or the whole class. Another way that teachers can use the Viewboard in the classroom for math is for number talks. One example of a problem that a teacher could give to the students for a number talk is, can the sum of 2 two-digit numbers be 238? The students can then solve that problem and come up and share their work on the Viewboard. Remember, multiple students can be working on the Viewboard at the same time because of that multi-touch functionality. Lastly, you can put together a lesson for the students to go through. You can put it together in Google Slides, and then students can access, once again, a video on that topic. You can put additional information for the students to teach them what is height and what is base. You can give them additional information about the formula for the area of a rectangle, and then you can give the students a problem that they can solve. Using the annotation features, I can now solve this problem right here. As you can see, there are many uses for using the Viewboard in the math classroom to build a mathematical mindset.